Well, I feel a little bit like Alfred Hitchcock, filming birds that you can't see singing. It's a little bit later in the morning. And I'm a great believer in taking time to stop and listen to the birds. There's too much noise in our life, traffic noise, trains. And yeah, as the morning wears on, the noises become less pleasant, don't they? The noise of a working world. Oh well, I'm going to carry on my stroll down to catch a train to go to work. And yeah, I'll speak to you all later.